What if I asked you a question? Should you stand up for the national anthem?
The answer should be obvious, right?
Yes, of course.
I mean, that should be our moral responsibility as an Indian citizen.
Yes,
And why do you think so?
that's our pride.
क्योंकि मेरा ये फ़र्ज़ है कि मेरे को इंडिया के लिए नेशनल एंथम के लिए खड़ा होना चाहिए.
I think we as the citizens of India, we don't really do much for our country. So I think the least we can do to show our respect and our appreciation for everyone who does their jobs is to stand up for the national anthem.
But some people disagree.
I think we should, but I don't think it's a mandate. I believe that standing up for my national anthem is how I display my sense of solidarity with my country, my patriotism. But if someone, you can call them Desh Drohi, sure, but they choose to be that. So if they do not, that's their lookout.
जिस देश में बेसिक फैसिलिटीज़ ही प्रोवाइड नहीं होती तो वो देश के पुअर पीपल्स या तो मिडिल क्लास पीपल्स जो बीपीएल या एपीएल्स में आते हैं वो देश के लिए क्यों खड़े हो, मतलब नेशनल एंथम के लिए क्यों खड़े हो, क्योंकि देश ही उनके लिए नहीं सोचता है.
Should focus on many other problems that we are facing right now in our country. That's why I think it is not a topic that we have to discuss right now.
Do you really think this discussion started with us? No. It started long ago in 2016 when the government declared the compulsion to stand up for the national anthem in theatres.
In solidarity, if we decide to not stand for the national anthem, because many people don't want to stand for the national anthem because it's probably against their beliefs, or we are failing them as a nation. How will us appealing to some created deity of a nation?
No, I mean, just because we go, just because we go to the cinema and before Gangs of Wasseypur we stand up for the national anthem, how does that become the criteria for having allegiance to the nation, of being a patriot to the nation?
What does it really mean to stand for the national anthem? It is just a physical act or something deeper.
There are tens and thousands of soldiers standing at our borders. Every day, they risk their lives. So when we say, why should I stand? Maybe the better question is, why shouldn't I? Nationhood is not about compulsion. It is about respect, gratitude. It is about acknowledging the sacrifices made for our freedom. It is about reminding ourselves that we belong to something bigger than us.
But going against the popular belief, many argue that India is a nation of various cultures, traditions, identities, and diversity. And if that difference can be celebrated, then why can't the difference of opinion in showing our patriotism be celebrated? Why is it that standing up for the national anthem is our only symbol of showing patriotism to this country?
So, what do you think? Is this discussion a proof of our declining patriotism?
Are there better things we need to discuss about this country, such as unemployment and poverty?
Is nationalism truly proven by just standing up for the national anthem, or does it come from the heart?
The mic is on you.